Hey, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can create a unique intro video using CapCut. All the templates will be in my description. Stay to the end of the video so you can see how this is achieved. Let's dive into it. First you need to do is to download the text file link in my description. Once you click on download, you're going to download it to your phone. Then the video is going to download and it's going to save on your phone as zip file. So you need to extract the zip file to your phone, and it's going to save to your picture gallery. It's going to be a video and save to your picture gallery. Next thing you need to do is to confirm everything has been saved to your gallery. Then we open CapCut and start editing our intro. Click on new projects, then look for the first letter you want to use for your video. So I'm using I because I'm using intro for the purpose of this video. So you play the video one after the other to know where I is. Then you click on it and import it to your timeline. You check from the beginning to the end. The next you click on overlay and bring the second letter to your timeline. So the second letter is going to be N. So I'm going to watch the video again to know where N is. Then I'm going to import N to my timeline. Once I confirm it's N, then I'm going to click on it. It's going to come to the timeline. I'm going to move it to the beginning of the video and click on splice, then click on filter. This will filter the video to make it overlay. Then I'm going to move it beside the end and adjust it to the same size. You know, they have to be on the same line, so you have to adjust it to the same line. Once you confirm they are both on the same level, then you play it. Then next you click on overlay, bring the third letter, which is T. You are going to watch the video because the video is going to extract your video picture gallery. So you need to watch the video, confirm it's T, then you bring it to your timeline. You move it to the beginning of the video. The same, apply the same thing, splice, filter, and click on check. That will bring the video beside each other. Then again you adjust it to make it on the same line. You adjust it and move it beside the end. The next thing you're going to click on overlay and bring the fourth video, which is R. You're going to play the video again because you might not know exactly where R is. So you play the R and you bring it to your timeline. You move it to the beginning of the video and click on splice, and it's going to overlay the video as well. Then you rearrange it to after T. You do the same thing to the last letter, which is O. You click on overlay, check the video, and once you check the video and you confirm it's O, then you add it to your timeline. Then you click on splice and do the same thing to it. Then you bring the O to the last stage. So I'm going to rearrange the letter because they are not looking. There's a space before the I, so I'm going to start from the beginning. I'm going to start from the high. I'm going to move it back a little bit to come to the same level. So what you're going to do now is going to click on I, then you are going to adjust it to left a little bit. Click on N, adjust it to a little bit to the left. Then click on T, adjust it to the left a little bit, and click on R and adjust it to the left a little bit. Then click on the last letter, which is O, and adjust it to the left. So once you confirm that everything is set to the middle, click on export and export your video in 4K. Now let's see how this video is going to look now. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. If you are already subscribed, thank you for watching my video. Likes, shares, and comments, I really appreciate you. Thank you, and see you on the next video. Signing out.